This is one of the worst ways to store your seed phrase, and so is this. But at least this one is offline, safe from malware and hackers. Meanwhile, this one is online and exposed to all kinds of threats. But this is prone to physical damage or even loss, or one of these things. But what about this? Steel is offline and resistant to physical threats, even an intense backyard cookout, and if it can survive my medium rare to fully incinerated in seconds grilling skills, it's worth considering. That said, crypto storage is kind of like cooking a steak. There are a lot of ways to do it, and each results in a different flavor profile, tenderness, and overall quality. Just like overcooking a steak ruins it, the wrong seed phrase storage method puts your crypto at risk. You've probably noticed that every cold wallet comes with these pieces of paper to write your seed phrase on. For a while, I thought this was good enough, especially since I tucked it away safely in a fireproof safe. Most fireproof safes are designed to keep the internal temperature below 350 degrees Fahrenheit during a fire. Why? Because paper starts to char at around 370 degrees and it ignites at 450 degrees. So it's possible that the paper would still be legible after a fire, assuming it was stored in a safe. But most house fires burn at temperatures between 800 to 1200 degrees. At those extreme temps, safes can keep internal temperatures around 350 degrees for anywhere from 30 minutes to 3 hours, depending on their rating. So the real question is, are you willing to risk your entire crypto portfolio if something bad were to happen? Personally, I'm not, probably because I accidentally set my house on fire when I was a kid, so I know disaster can strike at any moment. Besides using paper, another common method people turn to for storing their seed phrase is an encrypted password manager or cloud storage. Seems safe, right? Actually, not really. Hundreds of millions of dollars worth of crypto have been stolen from people who store their wallets' keys in password managers. In fact, we've heard from several subscribers on the channel who've lost their crypto because of this exact issue. And since password managers are becoming more popular, more hackers are targeting them and their users. Malware, phishing attacks, and software vulnerabilities are just a few of the methods hackers are using to steal people's private data, including their seed phrases. And it doesn't make any sense to use a cold wallet if you're just going to put your seed phrase back online in a cloud or a password manager. But using a cold wallet along with a metal seed phrase plate to secure your seed phrase, now that makes total sense. Both are offline, keeping your crypto safe from online threats and physical damage. I've been using the Keystone Tablet Plus for a few years now. By using, I mean it's been sitting in an undisclosed location for 3 years, quietly protecting my seed phrase, and that's exactly what it's designed to do. More importantly, it gives me a sense of security knowing that the key to my crypto portfolio is basically indestructible. And by no means is this groundbreaking tech. It's bulky, heavy, and actually pretty archaic, but that's exactly why it works, and in a second I'll show you how to set it up. That said, the reason I can throw it on my grill and then dump cold water on it without a problem is because it's made from 304 stainless steel. It's also waterproof and corrosion resistant, so while it's not fancy, it'll last the rest of my life. Now, if you look on Keystone's website, you'll notice there are two types of tablets, the Tablet and the Tablet Plus. The main difference between these two plates is the number of screws they use. The Plus uses a total of 17 screws to secure the letters, whereas the Tablet only uses 5 screws. And it doesn't matter if you have a 12, 18, or 24 word seed phrase, both tablets come with enough steel letters to support them all, and it doesn't matter which wallet you're using either, Ledger, Trezor, Tangem, Cold Card, this plate is compatible with all wallet seed phrases. Both options also come with this hole in the plate. This is for added security if you want to put a padlock through it. And the price difference between the two is just 20 bucks, but if you use my code CyberScroll at checkout, you'll get 12% off your entire order. So if you want the most durable option, the Tablet Plus is your best bet, and I'll leave a link to that plate and my discount code in the description if you want to check it out. Now, of course, there are plenty of other metal seed phrase plates out there, like this steel punch one, this engraving one, or this one that uses a small weird letter system, and they all achieve the same goal, just with their own methods to get there. And I own several other plates myself, but the main reason I like the Tablet Plus the best is because it comes with everything you need, including the tool, extra screws, the letters are easy to read, and the steel plate is super thick. You can even make your own metal seed phrase storage using steel washers, a bolt, a letter punch kit, and a hammer, but for me, I value convenience over price, so I don't mind spending a little extra on a dedicated metal seed phrase plate that comes with everything I need. Next, I want to show you how easy it is to set up, and after setting up a few of these tablets, I think I found the quickest method to get the job done because it can take a while. First, take out all the screws from the tablet. Make sure to set them somewhere safe because these are the world's smallest screws. Next, slide the cover plate up to reveal the slots where you'll insert each letter. You'll notice there are only 4 slots per word, but some words have more than 4 letters. So how do you know the whole word? Well, all seed phrases are derived from a predetermined list known as the BIP 39 word list. You can Google the list to view all the words, but here's the thing. BIP 39 specifies that only the first 4 letters are needed to identify each word. No word on this list starts with these same 4 letters, so whether it's access, accident, or account, you'll know which word it is by just looking at the first 4 letters. And if you ever need help, you can always refer to the BIP 39 word list, which you can just Google. Anyways, here's what helped me speed up the process. First, I lay out each word of my seed phrase in the order I'll place them into the plate, but if you prefer, you can do it one word at a time, whatever works best for you. Each letter is held in place by a tiny piece of metal, so just bend and twist to release it. Then, once you have all your letters lined up, it's time to place them into their designated slots. Some letters might stick out slightly, so just give them a little push and they'll fall into place. After all the letters are in, double check that each word is in the correct order by comparing your written seed phrase with what's on your metal plate. If everything looks good, slide the cover back down to secure the letters in place. And I found that it helps to lightly pull up on the corner of the cover while sliding it down to avoid hitting any letters. Then place all the screws back in their holes and tighten them, starting with each corner and working diagonally at first. And that's it. If you have a 24-word seed phrase, just flip it over and do the other 12 words, or you can add another 12-word seed phrase if you have 2 12-word phrases. But where should you actually store the metal plate? Because the risk isn't it getting damaged now, but it's someone finding it and knowing what it is. So I can't tell you exactly where to store your metal seed phrase plate, but I will tell you storing it in your dresser drawer, your cabinet, or just anywhere in the open is not a good option. Rather, consider storing it in an at-home safe, a safe deposit box, under your floorboards, or in a similar hidden spot. You could also leave it with a trusted family member. But as long as you have your seed phrase plate and it's stored in some secure location, it's almost guaranteed that your seed phrase will be secure for the rest of your life. But just because your seed phrase is safe doesn't mean your crypto is secure. I cover 13 cold wallet mistakes that you need to avoid at all costs in this next video. Check it out. God bless.